folks, I'm Todd and we're making time now. When we were on our Alaskan trip, our lid here got broke. So we're going to replace it now, and we got a butcher top one to put on it. So what we have to do, we have to pull this out, take these off. Then we have to pull this whole thing out. But we'll take a look at this butcher top here. We were going to go with a flip-up one, a metal one, but we had the knives back here. And I don't think it would have enough room to fold, so that's why we went with the butcher top. We'll see how this will make out with this. Okay. That's what it looks like. Stovetop cover. Yes, that goes well, like that, I guess. But first, we gotta take this lip off. This here, that spring that helped fold that down. So what you gotta do, grab a hold here, pull this up. There's a lip here in the back, so you pull up, slide it up. Right here, get my screwdriver. Let's get this out of the way. Right here, there's a little screw here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little screw, and it goes through back here. So we already cleaned that out pretty good. You take the screwdriver, put it in there. Take that little nut off. And you push that out through. Pulls this out, which is a little spring in there. So we got to go do the other side. We were going to replace it, but you got to buy the whole thing, and it was like $100 and some. And this here, I don't know, I believe was like 45, right around there somewhere. So see how we like it. If not, maybe we'll do something different if it doesn't work out. So that pulls this out. That's everything right here. Oh, that's Jake. He wants to go in. All right. So now, take this, slide it back under like so, push it down, take the grates, put the other one in there like so. Now, I don't know, see what we got here, how this goes on. Not sure. I mean, the glass really looked nice and all, but just didn't hold up very good. All right. So we get some instructions here. All right, it has all for the different kinds of stoves. Magic Chef, Suburban. Yeah, I don't see ours on here. All right, this is kind of a template, I guess. This is a Furrion, and Furrion isn't on here. So we're gonna line this up. Put a screwdriver here. That's in the middle. guess this is going to line up with the Magic Chef 4 burner. And let's see if that's in the middle. Pretty close. So that's the layout that we need. See if they have any holes here that lines up. That one. I'm going to say them 2 holes there. I'm going to say that hole and that hole. So, but I believe, and this is not a how to do it video, learn from my mistakes. I'm just shooting from the hip here. Guess you put that in there like so. That's right there. Turn on some light here. It has pre-drilled holes there, or whatever your application might be. So let's get that there. Put the washer, screw into the washer there. And it goes into the hole there. And I believe it might be that one there that we want. Mount Rainier just clubbed me in the head. Okay, make sure that's tight. Bring that down. Go for a fit here. See how it... Pretty flush. Looks pretty good. All right, and then we'll see where this other one needs to go. There's not a hole, pre-drilled hole for this one. So we're just gonna have to shoot this from the hip. Yeah, because the diagram doesn't line up for any of them. It only has holes off to the sides. So ours is in the middle. So we're gonna have to kind of eyeball it, see where it needs to be, go from there. I'm gonna say right around there. That's where it gotta be. Another screw. Now this one ain't pre-drilled, so it's gonna be a little tougher here. Very good. Now we'll see how close we are. All right, we got it fit down in there. It's not for a Furrion stove. I don't know if you want to take a shot of that. And this is all that it's for. So you might have to adjust them little cups around a little bit. Maybe even put them on a bar. Right now I got them on it's lined up with the burner. So maybe if I put them on the bar, that way they wouldn't have to move around. So if you're doing any cutting on the top of this, make sure you use this. That's what that's for. It's a little cutting thing. So I hope this helped you out. And folks, make sure you make yourself some time. Have a good one.